Bago ako pumasok, they were allowing unloading in private ports na kung sino lang maglista-lista. At ang rami kong tinanggal na listahan dahil maraming kalokohan. Sa totoo lang, nung panahon before my time sa importation ng isda. And ayoko nang sabihin kasi meron din isang congressman na humingi sa akin ng maraming allocation at hindi ko pinagyan ng isda. At ang pangalan nun, Saldico.
Sige po, you mentioned Congressman Zaldico. So, do you have more information about that?
Well, I only have personal knowledge on the 3 companies he wanted me to give allocation kahit na may formula na kami. At hindi ako pumayag magbigay ng kahit isang container sa kanya sa 3 nominated company niya. At ang isang kumpanya doon, pangalan pa, ZC Victory Fishing Corporation.
Can you state all the other companies that you're mentioning?
I don't remember as of the moment ilaan itong mga...
So ano po yung gusto niyo pong banggitin about that? Do you feel that there is a conflict of interest?
Hindi naman. Ang sinasabi ko lang, we were being forced at that time to give him 3,000 containers of fish, which I did not.
Well, very important that you mentioned being forced. What do you mean by being forced, actually?
Well, pinipilit na kami mag-issue ng import permit while we already have a formula, no? Which ito nga yung formula na lumabas, very clear na fair to sa scientifically, the data speaks for itself at kaya kong tindigan to.
But you have did you actually issue it or no? Did you issue po the request?
No.
All right, thank you.